Hey there, college kids. Are you tired of not being able to enjoy your college life because of the noise all around you? Is the bad music taste of your roommate and the late night party of your neighbors spoiling your mood? So we have got your back. Your pain ends now. We have got a solution for you. The Bose noise cancelling headphones. But I know what you're thinking. I'm a broke college student. How can I afford these fancy headphones? This headphone is worth your every penny. What's the cost of not being able to concentrate on your studies? What's the cost of not being able to talk to your parents peacefully and your loved ones peacefully? And what is the cost of destruction of your college life? Believe me, we have an escape plan. These headphones would make your life a hell lot easier.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप?
But what sets our headphones apart? These are the few amazing features. First, that's the noise cancellation we have talked about. Second is the high quality sound output. You will be able to listen to your favorite songs with a bass boost and crystal clear sounds. We don't just deliver music, we deliver you experience. The adjustable neckband and the plush and soft ear cups will give you a feeling of not wearing them at all while having all the enjoyment. These headphones are wireless and have a battery life of 20 hours. So you can enjoy the music, listen to lectures and do anything you want without being concerned of running out of juice. These headphones are absolute must for the college students because they will teleport you from the world of mania to a world of tranquility and peace. And what's better, you are IITs and you can apply your student ID card while checking out and get exclusive 10% discount for you. Peace.
हम फर्स्ट